Now let's have a look at the course structure of verbal. Now within this course structure, the first stage is the learning stage. Now we have divided this learning stage into 10 modules, which have further subcategories according to the question types. There are 6 categories. You have 1 blank questions, 2 blank questions, 3 blank questions, sentence equivalence questions, reading comprehension questions, and there is another subcategory of reading comprehension which is also called critical reasoning. So critical reasoning questions. Now these subcategories will have then pre-video quizzes. Now pre-video quizzes are nothing but a video where you have to solve a question, and later on that question is going to be explained in the concept videos. Now you also have another category which is the vocabulary category. Now this vocabulary category, we explain you how to learn certain words which will further help you in solving these first 4 categories. Now the second stage is the practice stage. Here you have post video practice exercises which are according to these subcategories, or what we also call the question types, these 6 types. And then you also have sectional tests. Now these sectional tests are verbal sectional tests which will be an assorted mixture of all these types. Usually it will replicate what actual exam would be like, a verbal section, only a section, not the whole test. Then the third stage is the full length test. Now these full length tests are pretty important. They are your mock tests where you will be able to build your endurance and through which you will be able to improve your score.